The Research and Innovation project of the International Masters is a project that consists of realizing innovative project for a company or a research lab within the International Masters program. In fact, the goal of this project is to constitute a group of 3 to 5 students who are going to realize a proof of concept on an idea that a company has or a research lab, and they don't have time to dedicate to explore this idea, and the students are here to deliver a proof of concept.
Where the company we are working for is Via Novio. It's based in Sofia, Antipolis. The major tool that they are using is for the upcoming entrepreneurs, where they can realize a project which they have an idea or the conceptual in their mind.
We had an internal reflection about changing the technology of our current software and going from Silverlight to HTML5. So it was interesting to have a project made by students on this subject.
It is something that is really interesting for the companies and for the research laboratories, because it is an element where they can leverage an idea that they have in a box somewhere. They don't have time, and they will transform this idea to a first prototype and eventually take 1 or 2 international students as interns to realize the product as a whole.
It was also interesting to have a foreign point of view on this technology. Also the fact that we had 3 students working together on the project. And also, of course, the reputation of the EPITA on the development was a good point, of course.
It was an end-to-end development of the project, which was most exciting. As my role was for being a project manager, so it helped me to develop the skills for my future internship and my future job professional work also.
Another element that is really important to take into account is also their first experience to work with a major company. We have major companies that work with EPITA through these research and innovation projects like Thales, like SFR, like Dassault Systèmes, etc., and other small startups that are innovating on different solutions, and it is their first contact with a real customer.